Hey everyone, so I posted this hair look on my Instagram and I got so many requests, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. My hair is clean. I feel like this works best on clean hair and it lasts you a few days, so why not? So I'm just parting my hair and I'm using a really big curler, and this is very important. So you want to use a 1.5 inch, I mean, if you have a bigger one, even better, but this is how you really create that blowout look, because it looks like a really loose wavy curl. And so it's very important that you use a big barrel for this look, because sometimes I get lazy and I don't feel like using a round brush and doing my whole head, and so doing this gives me that look without all of the work. So parting your hair is also really important. If you want a looser curl, a looser wave, just take bigger pieces. I'm not holding it too long. Another tip that I really want to focus on too is you want to feed your hair into the curler. I think I'll make a separate video and kind of go in depth about it, but as you can see, I don't put the hair all the way at the bottom and then roll up. I start like about halfway through and I feed the hair and I go all the way up to my root, because you want to make sure that the whole piece is on the curler. Getting the entire piece is very important. Using a barrel with a clip is also important so that you could get every piece of your hair. And for this specific look, you want to get your ends as well. You can't really do that with the wand. Another really important step is to set your curls. So if you don't have these rollers, it's fine. As long as you have clips, and just roll the curl back up, clip it and just let it cool. But once it cools, you can take it down. You don't have to leave it on. The longer you leave it on, it's not gonna be bigger or anything. As long as it cools down that way, you should be fine. I know that this can seem a little excessive, but hey, if you want this kind of hairstyle, it's not, there are a lot of steps. I love doing this on clean hair because, like I said, it lasts me for a few days because I don't wash my hair every day. I just love that I can do this hairstyle within 10 to 15 minutes and I have beautiful hair for a few days. I'm taking out the side ones first because they've already cooled down, and as you can see, it gives you like that big wave as if you did get a blowout, and I just love that so much. So now to add volume, I'm using the Oribe texture spray and just teasing around my head because I just love full hair, and I do tease quite a lot because I always go back with my big paddle brush and kind of brush it and smooth it out. Don't be afraid to tease. Don't be afraid for your hair to get huge because you will brush it out. You want that texture from the texture spray and from you teasing it. It all helps out in the end. I always go back and forth. I'll tease, brush it out, smooth it out, spray hairspray, see where else I need to tease. So I always go back and forth. So I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna move on to my baby hairs, and I'm gonna list all of the product information and where you can get it down in the info box. But I feel like I'm really bald in this area because I've had kids and I feel like I lost so much hair, so I'm always bald in this area. So I like to just clean up my edges, and I feel like it just adds a really nice polished look, and you really just gotta practice. Like, there's really no other way to explain baby hairs and edges but to literally practice and figure out what works best for your hairline, because we all have different hairlines. So you see, I feel like it was looking flat right there, and so I'm going back and teasing some more. And then I'm not brushing my hair all the way down. I'm just lightly brushing it, like using the tip of the hairbrush. And then now I'm going in with the hairspray and spraying it and then letting it set and then seeing where else I need to spray and brushing it out again. And yeah, this is the finished look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope that you guys found it helpful, and I will be uploading the makeup tutorial very soon. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.